In this video, we will present to you the feature for adding customer signature requests to reports. Reports that require the customer's signature can be configured to contain a signature component and a signature field. When issuing this type of document, the program will automatically request a signature, which can be added using a signature tablet. All signed documents can then be automatically stored in the document management system. Let's look at an example. When a customer buys a product, you issue an invoice for them. When creating the document, you also want to create a packing slip with the customer's signature. To do that, right-click the Packing Slip button. The program will give you the option to create a packing slip with the customer's signature. The customer signs the document with a signature tablet, and the signed document is then stored in the document management system, with all the information from the invoice, and about the customer. In order to store the documents in the document management system automatically, you must first open the administration panel, and configure the storage of signed documents, and set up paperless operations. To add the automatic signature request feature, you must configure the selected report to include the appropriate components. This way, you will avoid the tedious process of printing out a document, having the customer sign it by hand, scanning it, and only then storing it in the document management system. Automating the process makes signing and storing documents in document management system much simpler and faster. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.